everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be focusing on how to use the Pink Stuff Cream Cleaner. I'm going to be showing you all the places that I use this amazing cleaning product. If you've not seen it, I will tell you exactly where to purchase it. So let's dive right in. So this is the Pink Stuff Cream Cleaner. This is what it looks like. It's exactly like the tub, but this is more of a liquidy format, not the pasty. So this is the paste one that I absolutely adore, and I use it on almost everything. Today we're going to be focusing on the cream cleaner, so I'm going to show you in all the places that I use it and how well it really works. Use my Minky scrubber, and I'm just going to pour a little bit. Use it on skirting boards. It works really well with the Minky scrubber or any scrubber really, but these are my two go-to cleaning products to ensure that the skirting board is actually really clean. Then I'm just going to wipe off. It works really well. It sometimes also removes a bit of the discoloration without stripping off any of the paint. It works well on windowsills as well. My husband did a bit of painting, and some of the paint residue was left on the windowsill, so I'm just going to quickly clear that up. If you have used the cream cleaner, let me know where you guys use it to clean around your home so I can try it out if I've not touched up on all the places that it can be used on. So it's a bit of dusty residue on this part of the window. Okay. There's a bit of residue, I'm not sure what that is, so I'm just going to use the pink stuff on it. And then we wipe, and as you can see, it's come off. Works well in the kitchen, so underneath your kitchen cupboards, if you remove all the stuff underneath there, sometimes you'll notice that you have spillages, rust, or whatever buildup that normally happens down there. The Pink Stuff Cream Cleaner is amazing for that as well. So my go-to product for lighter and gentler stains, not the heavy duty ones. Nice and clean. It also works on hobs of your cooker, your stove, or your hob, whatever you call it. I tend to gravitate towards that if my cooker is looking like that and got a lot of grease on it, so I just grab it and I scrub away. It works really well. So you can buy this cream cleaner Home Bargains, Morrison's, most of your shops. Personally, I think I've been in, they normally have it. And yeah, I'm not sure how much it costs right now, but Those are the main shop. Any supermarket, even Aldi does it as well. So any supermarket, you'll be able to find the cream cleaner. You can even find the paste there as well. Let me know if you're enjoying this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know all the places that you guys use your cream cleaner at. Last but not least, it works really well on your sink. So if you want a really shiny sink, the cream stuff cream cleaner is fantastic on there as well. And there you have it, a nice and clean shiny sink. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You have a lovely day. Bye.